Good day, I'm Twyla Whelan, and this is your JIS News for Monday, December 30, 2024. High Commissioner of India, His Excellency Mayak Joshi, says Jamaica and India have set a solid foundation for mutually beneficial partnership in trade, investment, and economics. Addressing a recent business and ethics event, he said these opportunities are growing with India's increased interest in the Latin American region. According to the High Commissioner, trade between India and Latin America has increased to approximately $50 billion and is expected to reach $100 billion by 2028.
Out of this growing partnership in this region, I find a lot that can be done with Jamaica. And certainly, Jamaica needs to be and will be a part of this opportunity and potential which we are looking at. We are looking at Jamaica, and Jamaica is ready to embrace India.
His Excellency Joshi said India is also looking to cooperate in other areas such as capacity building, education, healthcare, digital technology, hospitality management, and renewable energy. Minister of Science, Energy, Telecommunications and Transport Darrell Vaz has lauded the progress being made at the Sangster International Airport over the past 2 decades. Minister Vaz says the airport, which is located in Montego Bay, St. James, is instrumental in the growth of the tourism sector. Among the key milestones are the expansion of the terminal, which has significantly enhanced capacity and passenger comfort, and the completion of the East Concourse, providing connectivity and efficiency within the airport. Additionally, Minister Vaz says the upgraded duty-free concessions has elevated the traveler experience, offering a world-class retail environment. His statement was delivered by President and Chief Executive Officer of the Airports Authority of Jamaica, Audley Diedrich, during a recent forum by the airport.
These accomplishments, among others, underscore the airport's role as a critical driver of Jamaica's tourism and economic development, setting a benchmark for aviation standards in the region. These improvements are updated as per safety compliance measures to meet international standards.
The minister said 2024 has been a transformative one for the airport.
At the heart of any airport's success lies the passenger experience. This year, the MBJ implemented new kiosks, enabling passengers to check in quickly and efficiently, significantly reducing wait times during peak travel periods.
The Jamaica Fire Brigade, JFB, is urging citizens to avoid the dangerous practice of accessing electricity illegally. Deputy Commissioner of the Brigade, Sean Martin, says this growing hazard poses severe risks to both community members and firefighters. He was speaking at a recent JIS think tank. Mr. Martin says the overloading of circuits can cause fires, damage to electrical equipment and appliances, as well as interactions with wires siphoning electricity can result in serious injury and possibly death. He adds that illegal connections pose significant challenges to firefighting operations.
Earlier this year, some firefighters got shocked and were taken to the hospital because of stolen electricity. They were operating in a space where the ground was wet, water was in the environment, and electricity was being stolen by residents of that particular area. And the firefighters received severe shocks. Some of them spent days in the hospital.
With late shopping for presents still on, parents and guardians are being encouraged to exercise caution and prioritize the health and well-being of children when buying toys. The Consumer Affairs Commission, CAC, says toys must be appropriate for the age of the child, as some toys can pose potential risks such as choking and hearing loss. Communication Director Latoya Halstead says consumers should also check for sharp edges and points when buying toys.
We also want to ensure that when you are buying toys, the toys are strong, they're sturdy. Be careful of toys that will have small parts, and we're talking about not necessarily just for babies here. We're talking about toddlers who might be able to use certain toys, but you also have a baby in the house. So that may break off from the toy and the baby will find it. So you have to be careful.
Ms. Halstead says toys that emit sounds as loud as 120 decibels should be avoided. The CAC is advising persons to read the labels before buying to ensure that the instructions are clear, and is also encouraging the gifting of toys that will foster both creative play and development of the child.
So you buy toys that will assist them with their motor skills. Yeah, their fine motor skills. So you buy educational toys as much as is possible.
Jamaica Urban Transit Company JUTC says it will provide services up to 3 a.m. on New Year's Day on routes operating from the company's 3 main depots in Portmore, Spanish Town and Rockfort. The JUTC says the extended hours are intended to facilitate the expected increase in demand for the service as persons ring in the new year. The transport company is assuring commuters that it won't leave them stranded and will ensure that all or most commuters reach home safely. And finally, the Urban Development Corporation UDC will host the highly anticipated Fireworks Festival 2024 at 3 locations on December 31 to ring in the new year. The locations are Kingston Waterfront, Ocho Rios Bay Beach, and Harmony Beach Park in Montego Bay. The event will run from 12 p.m. to 12 a.m. and will feature a variety of culinary offerings, a kiddies village, family-oriented activities, entertainment package, and the fireworks display at midnight. To accommodate this, the UDC has announced a series of road closures and traffic changes in Kingston. The restrictions started on December 29, with no left-turn access onto Ocean Boulevard at the intersections with Nethersole Place and Church Street. However, access will be maintained for essential deliveries and parking. Additional adjustments will take effect on Tuesday, December 31, starting at 4 p.m. Sections of Church Street, King Street, Peters Lane, Orange Street, Princess Street and West Street will be converted to two-way traffic or partially closed. Port Royal Street will experience restricted access, including no left turns onto or from Ocean Boulevard. The UDC says the adjustments will ensure the safety and convenience of attendees while facilitating the smooth execution of the event. It says the Jamaica Constabulary Force, a key partner of fireworks festivals over the years, will guide traffic arrangements in Montego Bay and Ocho Rios, respectively. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Twyla Whelan. Thanks for watching.